Everyone, Double P here and welcome. So today I attacked the SPY with my Platinum X Power Option Trader groups. So today, so let's just get over this really quickly. Here's my account, margin, full blown account, margin, come over here. Why does it say partially delayed data? I don't trade futures. So stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real-time futures and futures options. This delayed right here. I don't need futures. I don't trade it. I can find it on other ways on my platform. Forex, real-time, other real-time. So real-time account right there. So we attack the SPY. What do we always do? What do we always do? The first thing, well, we draw the box, right? Draw the box. What is the box? The box is price action. The box is support and resistance. The box is a volatility. The box has a few different variations in it that I will save for later, but that's the gist of the box. If you don't draw the box, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what's going to be happening when the market opens up, or you don't know how to trade. You're trading blind. This is the end of the day trading recap for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members, so you guys and girls know exactly why you draw the box out and why you hold your positions, right? So here's the SPY right here. You guys know I sent out, let's see here. So for those of you on social media that I'm sending this to, and as well as my guys on and girls on the Platinum X Power Option Trader group. So you don't need to see what the strike price or limit order was for the strike price. So it's bought to open November 9th, 2022, SPY 370 strike put. You don't need to know how many contracts I told my guys and girls to get or the limit order. Once you become a member, you'll know. Profit is 20%. Stop loss is tight 15%. These expire today, don't hold till the end of the day. Now, for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members, you guys know that these are profit and loss parameters, but I always tell you, you do not have to get out of the trade. If you get out of the trade, you are never out of the trade unless you want to be out of the trade. If you get stopped out, I've told you many times that you wait for the next pocket to trade to get back in. Why do we do that? Because this is why we draw the box. The box is right here, right? That's the box, right? So if you would have got stopped out on this trade, then you wait for the next opportunity to get back into the pocket and to trade that pocket. So let me come back over here. 936 sent out the trade. So let's go over to 936, which is going to be right here on this candle. 936, that's when I sent out the trade. So what you guys and girls need to do is you always draw out your support and resistance, right? Always draw out your support and resistance. I don't draw out my support and resistance because I'm following the moving averages. But if you want to draw out your support and resistance, no problem. Here's how you draw out your support and your resistance. Right? There's your resistance. There's the trade that we entered. Now you would have made money right here because this was 936. You would have made money. You would have got out right here. Now, if you would have broke through here, no problem, right? Because you're still under the 20 right here, right? And you're still under the box. Stay in the trade, right? All the way over here, you would have made money on this candle right here, right? You would have made money on that candle right there had you stayed in the trade. From the entry point, so let's go over 936. From the entry point to right there, you would have made money if you stayed in that trade, right? That was your box. That was your window, right? This is your resistance. Did it break resistance? Yeah, for all of what? Maybe 2-3 minutes. Did it break the box? No, the box is right there. That's why you stay in the trade, right? Where did the SPY open? It opened up under the box. What happens when it opens up under the box? We go short, right? It's a short position. You stay in the trade, right? You would have made money right there. I stayed in this trade, right? You see my support, my resistance, and you see the box, right? Now, did it penetrate the box? Absolutely, it penetrated the box. Do I care? No. Why don't I care? Because if it penetrates the box, if we're going short, it's going to have a little bit of a momentum rally to get back in, to try to fight, to get into the box. But look, right? That first quarter of the box is serious resistance. It's serious overhead supply. People that have bought up here, they're getting out, right? And it's pushing. This is consolidation right here, and it's pushing it out and just pushes it all the way down. So what you got to do is you got to stay in the trade right here, right? This is consolidation right here. This is lower level consolidation on the box, right? On the last quarter of the box. And then look at what happens if had you had stayed in this trade, or you would have seen this pocket right here, consolidation, you would have seen it and you would have get right back in, because now where's the 20, right? Here's the 20. It's turning yellow, and boom, you would have ricocheted right in that box, right? From that 20. And then here, the 200 turns green, but it turns red. With the 20, the crossover is right there. The 200 is significant, and it pushes everything down, right? So had you stayed in this trade, if you would have stayed in this trade, you would have got out right around here, right? 1057. I didn't get it at 1057. So when did I send out my text alert to you that I'm out of this trade? Because I stayed in the trade, right? So you're kind of curious as to what I did today. That's what I did today. 3,500 profit because I stayed in the trade. Look, we're in a serious bear market right here. So let's go over here, 1049. That's when you get the text, 1049. So right there, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Did I take a little bit of heat? Yeah, I took a little bit of heat on the trade, but guess what? I didn't falter, because this is why we draw the box, right? This is the death zone. This is overhead supply. This is overhead. This is resistance, right? This is the high right here, 381.14, right? So what happens here, right? How many times did it touch 381.14? Well, not really touch it. 1, 2, 3. It tried to break it 3 times. This is resistance, right? Everybody that bought up here from yesterday, right? Everybody that bought up there from last week, this is overhead. This is overhead supply. This is resistance, right? So that's the trade. That's why you stay in the trade. And you see my, you see the put over there, the option right over there, right? So what did I do today? You seen it right there, right? 3,500 bucks, right? Don't copy, don't steal my stuff, right? So that's it from Double P. So for those of you in the Platinum X Power Option Trader group, you members, guys and girls, that's what you look at, right? That's how you work the box. The box is super important. If you don't want to draw out the box, don't draw the box out. If you don't want to follow the formula, that's totally your call, right? I set everything up for you guys and girls, and I give you the gold, and it's up to you. It's up to you to pick the gold, and it's up to you to stay in the trade, right? You got to take you have to have a little bit of a heavy stomach, a little bit of intestinal fortitude, a little bit of indomitable will to be able to stay in a trade, right? How do you stay in the trade? This is how you stay in a trade, right? You draw everything out. You draw out your support and your resistance. You draw out your price action levels, right? You draw it out. You draw the box. You put the 20 on here. You slap the 200 on here, and you follow it, right? It's color coded for you, right? That's it. So for those of you that are still watching this, that are inside of the group, I'm going to be doing a live trading sometime soon, probably either tomorrow or Friday. Then I'm going to be launching into the special for the Platinum X Power Option Trader if you want to become a member. If you don't want to become a member, I mean, either way, I'm good. I just wanted to provide some value, show you the strategy, show you the technique, show you the methodology, show you how money is made. And then that's it, right? And this is all under, like I said, this is all under 60 minutes, right? Just under, well, roughly around 60 minutes, right? 9:30, 10:30. So, what do we got there? 79 minutes or so. Doesn't matter, right? I'm in and I'm out, right? I stayed in this trade because I wanted to stay in this trade because I saw what was going on with the rest of the market, right? You look at the rest of the market right here, and you're going to see exactly what's going on, right? What do you see in the rest of the market? Low. Look at the 20. The 200, just punishing. Look at the 200, punishing. Low, right? Low, right? Look at the 20. Look at the 200, just punishing. Everything's getting punished. Low. On the XLE, on energy, right? You got to stay in these trades. You got to know how to stay in the trade. You got to map everything out like how I'm teaching you to map everything out. All right? So that's it from Double P, over and out. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.